Installing enclosure midplane. Make sure the two drip sensor cables are secured to the enclosure and routed through the cable clips. Carefully align the enclosure midplane with the guide pins in the enclosure, and then slide the midplane into the enclosure. Fasten the 3 screws on the top of the midplane. Connect the drip sensor cables to the midplane. Insert the rear top cover tabs into the slot on the enclosure, and then push the top cover inwards. Fasten the captive screws on the top cover. Install the enclosure into the rack. Reconnect all the cables to the midplane assembly, and then reinstall any of the following components that you removed.